Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If your JVC TV turns on but shows no picture, don't panic. This is a very common issue, and the good news is, you can often fix it at home without spending too much money. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step troubleshooting methods to bring your TV screen back to life. So, stick around till the end, and let's get started. Step 1. Check connections. The first thing you should do is check all the cable connections. Make sure the HDMI, AV, and power cables are firmly plugged in. Try removing and reinserting the cables. If you're using an HDMI device like a set-top box, Blu-ray player, or gaming console, try connecting it to another port. Also, test the same device on another TV to make sure it's not the device that's faulty. Sometimes, a loose HDMI connection or faulty cable can cause the screen to remain black even though the TV turns on. Step 2. Test backlight. If connections look fine, the next step is to test if your TV backlight is working. Turn on your TV. Take a flashlight and shine it close to the screen. If you see faint images or movement, it means the TV is on but the backlight is not working. In this case, the issue is usually with the LED backlight strips or the power board. You might need professional repair, but at least now you know the root cause. Step 3. Reset your TV. Sometimes, a simple reset can bring your TV back to life. Unplug the TV from the wall socket. Wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for about 15 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. This method drains any residual power and resets the TV's hardware, which often fixes black screen problems. Step 4. Check TV settings. If your TV turns on but still has no picture, it might be stuck on the wrong input or settings. Use your remote and press the source/input button. Cycle through HDMI, AV, and TV modes to ensure you're on the correct input. Also, check brightness and picture settings in the menu, as sometimes a misconfigured setting can make the screen look black. Step 5. Software update for smart TVs. Outdated software can sometimes cause display glitches. If possible, connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, System Update, and check if there's a new update available. Updating the firmware often fixes bugs that cause screen issues. If none of these steps work, the issue could be with the T-Con board, mainboard, or backlight system. At this point, it's best to contact a qualified technician. Repairs are often affordable compared to replacing the whole TV, so don't lose hope. And that's it. These were the top fixes for when your JVC TV turns on, but has no picture. I hope one of these steps helps you get your TV working again. If this video was useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TV repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.